Why would you choose to work by yourself? You could check others' work.
No, you're wrong. Working by yourself is so smart. You can work efficiently and diligently, also working at your own pace.
Working by yourself is so smart. Chase, you're the smartest one here. Working by yourself is beneficial because you can work at your own pace.
You guys are not right at all. Working together comes with lots of benefits.
Checking answers with your partner can also benefit your work.
Let's go to Northeast Pre-Stressed Products to find out who is right.
Northeast Pre-Stressed Products LLC was founded in 1950. As a team, they work together to design and put together beams for bridges, and they have built over 2,200 beams for bridges. It is 28 acres in Cressona, PA. Products and services. NPP manufactures a variety of precast concrete products mainly for bridges and large buildings. Teamwork jobs include prestressed concrete box beams, prestressed concrete bulb T's and I-beams, precast deck panels and substructures, total precast solutions, rebar supply, and heavy hauling services. That is why teamwork makes the dream work.
What I think is so cool about manufacturing, from my point of view, is seeing these drawings on paper and then watching them become reality.
What's so cool about manufacturing at NPP, a lot of our employees driving around and showing their kids or their friends like, hey, you know, mommy and daddy built that bridge.
I like being able to see us in the plant build these beams and then be able to go out on the road and see bridges put together.
From blueprints to making the rebar, to pouring the concrete, to building the actual beam, all takes teamwork. Today, going through the manufacture, we see that many people work together and they enjoy it. When you work alone, you do not see from other perspectives. When working together as a team, they can check your work and help you with the changes that need to be made. That is why teamwork makes the dream work.
Working as a team gets things done way faster.
I agree with Jackson. Work together to make things right.
Now you learn that working together as a team is beneficial.
You know how beneficial teamwork is, and you all did not listen.
Right, no matter what job you do, you will still have others check it. And teamwork makes the dream work!